National Electrical Code Section 550.13c requires service conductors to be installed in a raceway if exposed to physical damage. Furthermore, Section 550.13e mandates that raceways installed under mobile homes be buried at least 18 inches deep. Considering these requirements, the service quadruplex cable must be installed in a raceway when it runs under the mobile home. This raceway must be buried to a depth of at least 18 inches. Skirting by itself does not offer sufficient protection for the service cable. The cable remains vulnerable to damage from rodents, moisture, and other potential hazards, even with skirting installed. Therefore, to comply with NEC Section 550.13c, installing the cable in a raceway is essential. The requirement to bury the raceway 18 inches deep is applicable even when the raceway is situated under the mobile home. This stems from the fact that the raceway is still deemed to be installed under a mobile home according to NEC Section 550.13e. The 18-inch burial depth is necessary to safeguard the cable from potential damage that could occur during maintenance or repair activities. It is important to always consult the latest version of the National Electrical Code and any applicable local codes for the most up-to-date and specific requirements for electrical installations in mobile homes. Always seek guidance from a qualified electrical inspector or licensed electrician to ensure compliance and safety.